The Assistant Inspector General of Police in charge of Zone 2 Onikan Lagos, Ali Muhammad, has reiterated that henceforth Lagos and Ogun states will no longer be a haven for kidnappers and criminals. This was disclosed during a familiarization visit at the Lagos State Police Command led by the Commissioner of Police, Oluomo, and other top police officers.
For us in Lagos State, we are always proactive. Let me say so. We don't believe in reactive policing. And that is why you see officers and men of this command, whether on uniform or in mufti, moving around, nose diving, to get information about happenings. And don't forget, our men are scattered all over. We are also networking with members of the public that could have one or two information about the movement of these monsters to abreast us. That is not enough. We are also synergizing with other security agencies, like you are aware, realizing, of course, the fact that globally no one does it alone without partnership, and that we are doing.
Sir, this is your Lagos. The template we are following in terms of crime management, I would say with all sense of responsibility, is the legacy that you have left in your capacity as a DC operations in this state. There is no way, I think the heart of policing in Lagos is all about operations. And there is no way, or let me say it will take a long while before that framework of operational components of policing can be altered from the foundation you have laid. And the good thing also is that the staff you left behind in terms of those driving the operational competence of the state, they are still the same operational officers that are driving the operational activities of the state, and they are doing it with excellence.
In furtherance of the vision and mission of the new leadership of the Nigerian Police Force, Acting Inspector General of Police, Olukayode Egbetoku, has also emphasized on the need for commitment, professionalism, selflessness, and service to humanity as priorities under his watch. He also added that new operational strategies, training and retraining of personnel will be paramount to enhance tactical engagement. Reacting to the newly elevated police officers, Assistant Inspector General of Zone 2 Ali Muhammad charged the senior officers to see their ranks as an additional responsibility in the course of provision of duty in high-quality policing service to the public.
The officers and men of Lagos State Command, like you have heard from the CP, are doing exceedingly very, very well. But for every situation, there's always room for improvement. And I believe if we all stand tall and said, yes, we can do it and ensure that this state is rid of criminals, you will see Lagos definitely will be crime-free.
In the same vein, Commissioner of Police Lagos, Oluomo, sees the privilege to appeal to the new leadership of the force on requests from command and the headquarters. In Lagos, Jennifer Nwosu reporting for Newsbuster TV.